This is Engage New York, Module 1, Lesson 10. Read the objective out loud while I read it. I can subtract decimals using place value strategies and relate those strategies to a written method. It's just the inverse operation of what we did yesterday. We have our fluency practice. You're going to take out the unit or decompose common units as decimals. So just like we've done before, you're going to pull out, you're going to take this number and tell me how many either tens or thousands there are. So you're going to break these up. The next part, you're going to add decimals. You can use the place value chart, or you can simply add using the standard algorithm format that I provided. On the back, you are going to do 1 unit less. You're going to write what 1 unit less would be all the way down and stop at the application problem. If you want to go ahead and start working on that, you can, but I'm going to give you 5 minutes to go ahead and work out as many fluency problems as you can. Go. Here we go. Let's go over our fluency. So decomposing common units as decimals. So 7, 76, and 358 thousandths can be also 7 tens and 6,358 thousandths, which is also down here, the way I broke it up down here. Then we have 763 tenths and 58 thousandths. Or we could have 7,635 hundredths and 8 thousandths. So hopefully you did well. Then this is the part that I really hope you did well. Adding your decimals, making sure you have your decimals correct, that your decimal points are absolutely 100% lined up, adding things up. 0.5, 0.09, 0.39. Moving on. All right, 1 less. So 5 tenths. What is the decimal that is 1 tenth less? Well, it's 4 tenths. Then we have what is one decimal less? What is 1 tenth less? What is 1 less than 5 hundredths? 4 hundredths. And notice the way it's written. You have to be able to go back and forth between the decimal and the fraction. So 5 1,000ths would be 4 1,000ths. 7 100ths would be 6 100ths. 9 tenths would be 8 tenths. Now, doing the same thing, but using our decimal strategy, or decimal notation, if you will. What is the decimal that is 1,000th less? Well, concentrating on that thousandth, it's 0.028. What is the decimal that is 1 tenth less? Concentrating on the tenth, it's 0.51. Concentrating 1,000th less. Now, 1,000th less. So what's 1,000th less than 1 would be 0. And because it's 0, you don't really need to even put it there. Then 100th less. So concentrating on the 100th. So 0.539. Finally, our application problem. At the 2012 London Olympics, Michael Phelps won the gold medal in the men's 100-meter butterfly. He swam the first 50 meters in 29.96 seconds, the second 50 meters in 25.39 seconds. What is his total time? His total time, because we added it, comes to 55.35 seconds. Hopefully that came real easily for you. Give me a thumbs up and let me know.